Want to do is you want to try to drain your ground beef as much as possible. I just use paper towels. I'm not sure how effective that is, in all honesty, but because I'm gonna be cooking it tomorrow anyway, and it's gonna be soaking in chipotle sauce, adobo sauce anyway, and lemon juice. So it's kind of like it's gonna be liquid. Just as long as I put it in a plastic bag and I cook it tomorrow, it should be fine. So we're going to start seasoning stuff. I just need to set my camera up. One sec. All right, I try angling this the best I can. But we're gonna start with your salt and pepper. I just put a light. This is enough for it to be visible. A little bit. Oh, Jesus. That was a lot. Try to put as light as possible. You know, we're gonna use our hands. Spread because that's a lot of pepper, dog. A lot of seasoning. Just keep in mind you can't take seasoning away, so whatever you, whatever you put on it is, it might be too much for your taste buds. But now we're gonna add some slap your mama seasoning. I like adding this a little more because I like this seasoning a lot. Where is it? The camera. Boom. This is my chipotle powder of choice. You know, sometimes you might want to try chili pepper, or even like I like paprika and cayenne pepper too. We're gonna cut this up, then we're gonna spread it all over this, and then this is gonna go in the bag later. But I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna break this up into little pieces, then redo it again. Yeah. Another layer of seasoning on this side. This should be enough. You can always add more into your bag when you put it in there. Ingredients are going to be in the description below, just in case y'all be forgetting. Salt, pepper, chipotle seasoning. I put salt, pepper. No, I put that in there. Okay, now this is all the seasoning I am probably going to do. Okay, oh, I forgot to cut this up. I'll be right back. Okay, now that we got these, we're gonna squeeze these out. We had 2 limes, so we're just gonna. I'm just gonna speed this up. That's what I'm gonna do. No, I'm gonna pause until all the limes are used. We now squeeze all the limes in there. We have 2 in total. I probably don't want to just cut them in halves now. I probably just want to do it in probably just want to cut them into like 4 pieces per lime. I think it's a lot easier that way. But we're gonna mix this up. Probably a bigger bowl than this, but shoot. Now the reason why I have the lime juice in here is just in case, because sometimes when you get these cans of chipotle peppers mixed in here, okay, sometimes it doesn't have enough adobo sauce. Okay, I don't know how to make adobo sauce for now. When I figure out how to make adobo sauce, it's over. Okay, and so that's basically in order to combat if there's not enough lime juice. I mean, juice when it comes to limes, or even just enough sauce in the can for your beef. I might pass it flag. Know what you can do? You know what? I'm not sure if I want to add no seasoning in here though. But we'll see. So this is gonna be the moment of truth. Moment of truth. Here we go. I'm gonna use this knife. Be careful when you do that. Looks like a lot more peppers than juice, so we might have to use the lime juice. But we're gonna pour this in here. Or just let it drop in there. That works too. Just to make sure we get everything out, we're going to spray some lime juice inside the can. Close it, shake it up a little bit. Then pour it out. 1 second. Or not, never mind. Like everything I said. We're just gonna shake it up a little bit like this. Try to get as much as we can. Put it in there. And then from here, do for this. Just, well, you want to close the bag first. I forgot about that. Close the bag. Make sure it's all ate out and everything. So you're just going to mix it. Then the whole point is like we want to get the double sauce as wrapped as much as possible. I use that as like a mixture together and I got it everywhere. You want a single shred of beef untouched. Now you can leave this in here overnight, or you can leave it in here for 30 minutes to overnight. I'm gonna leave it in here overnight and cook it tomorrow. And I'm gonna make some cilantro rice along with it. If you're seeing this, obviously I liked it. If you're not seeing this, then I didn't like it. Gang. Beef now, but we did leave it out for a lot longer than we planned to. Thing is, it's like, now we're cooking it. I think we left it in there for like a day and almost, because we cooked it, because we made it pretty late that night. I think it is a day technically. Maybe it's like a day and like a couple of hours. A day and a half at most, but I'm being generous. But we're gonna cook this till it's brown, and then we're gonna give it a taste test, and then we're gonna make the rice tomorrow because it's really late, and I don't feel like doing all that. But I'm gonna pause. It should be done. Everything's brown. It's the rules I can't tell because the sauce is also brownish gold. But should be about 4 to 5 minutes of resting in here. See, now I was thinking about making this with the cilantro rice, but then I thought about it and I was like, papaya rice or Mexican rice sounds significantly better with this Chipotle flavored ground beef. So we might try some Mexican rice first and then see how that tastes. And then if it's a bomb, we're gonna add it into whatever, into our meal plan. But outside of that, I think that's it, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. You know, we're gonna taste test. We're gonna do a taste test. One second. All right, we're gonna try it now. Over truth. Honestly, it probably needs a lot more seasoning, especially when it comes to that Chipotle zestiness. But a little bit of tweaking, that's gonna be a staple. Adios. Hey, what's going on, folks? So I did complete the recipe, as you can see. I just made sure to make some black beans and some Mexican rice. I actually really like it, but for me, I need some salt in the beans. If you don't have salt in the beans, it's kind of like, I don't really like it when it was just the rice. Maybe because I forgot to add the thing is called like chicken brie oil or something like that. But outside of that, it's great. I like the way it tastes. I like it. Once again, I just added equal parts, cup and a third of rice, cup and a third of, not on the beans though. The beans are just there for flavor, but I like it. So you'll probably see this. Hope you guys enjoyed. Adios.